Good day, fellow boaters, and welcome to another exciting episode of Boat Technics. Today's challenge is removing the collar on the roof of a boat for a log burner. This one's slightly different to what most people are used to seeing. This one is actually a flat collar, where a lot of the other ones tend to be quite thick, and depending where the collar sits on the roof of the boat, normally it goes down to the side of the kind of gradient of the lean of the roof, and in that case you normally have an angular collar to match the gradient of the roof. This one's on a wide beam and it's slap bang right in the centre of the roof, and it's flat in dimension. It's in a bit of a bad way, bless it, so we're going to strip it off. I'm going to show you the process of cleaning up the material underneath the collar, resealing and hopefully making new. So stay tuned and we should see a nice little result. And as you can see, right in the middle is our log burner and the terminal pipe just there. So we're going to have to remove this, and as you can see, it's in quite a bad way. There's been a few leaks over the time. Before the lovely, glorious, sunshiny weather we've had at the moment, the customer noticed when we had torrential downpour, the top of the log burner was going brown in colour, which obviously signifies water leaking down the pipe onto the log burner downstairs. So I think this problem's been going on for a while, to be fair. As you can see, all the silicone around there. So someone's tried to mask or at least try and block up the leakage by excessive sealant. So we're going to take all this off, take the top of the collar off there, and then hey presto, we should have a nice little clean area, he says. We've got the old collar off, as you can see there, but as all of you clever people out there might have guessed, the size difference is considerably larger. So we are going to have to cut this hole out to a bigger dimension. Wicked! There's the old pipe in there. Yay! That's coming out as well because the customer's having a whole new log burner put in, which is why the new terminal is a lot wider in circumference or diameter or radius. I'm just going to keep throwing words out there, make myself sound clever. What comes around? Just So there we have it. Using an angle grinder, we've cut our circular hole to the dimensions of the new flue, and then we've just gone round it with a flappy pad on the grinder as well, just to tart it up so it's nice and smooth. Pretty good result really, I'm quite happy with that. So we're just going to give this a little bit of a going over now, give it a little bit of sprucing, and we're going to stick some rust converter on there just to add a protective layer for the little barer spots. Once that's dried, it's a very hot day today. As you can see, I'm having to kneel on my little blankie because my knees are starting to burn, and that's the joy of standing on a roof when it's blistering sunshine. But don't worry, I have applied my factor, my SPF 30. During the day I'll probably even put it up to about 100 because I will fry it like a vampire. Cool.
so hard living with the things you do to me. My dreams are getting so strange. I'd like to tell you everything I see.
Oh, I see a man in the back. As a matter of fact, his eyes are as red as the sun. And the girl in the corner, let no one ignore her, 'cause she thinks she's the passionate one.
Oh yeah, it was like lightning. Everybody was frightening, and the music was soothing, and they all started grooving. And the man at the back said, "Everyone attack!" and it turned into a ballroom blitz. And the girl in the corner said, "Boy, I wanna want you." It'll turn into a ballroom blitz, ballroom blitz, ballroom blitz, ballroom blitz, ballroom blitz. Reaching out for something, touching nothing's all I ever do. I softly call you over. When you appear, there's nothing left of you.
Now the man in the back is ready to crack as he raises his hands to the sky. And the girl in the corner is everyone's fun. She could kill you with a wink of her eye.
Oh yeah, it was electric, so frantically hectic, and the band started leaving, 'cause they all stopped breathing. And the man at the back said, "Everyone attack!" and it turned into a ballroom blitz. And the girl in the corner said, "Boy, I wanna want you." It'll turn into a ballroom blitz, ballroom blitz. Oh yeah, it was like lightning. Everybody was frightening, and the music was soothing,